Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Toby, and in today's video I'm going to be teaching you how to prepare for medium individual braids. First thing first, you want to make sure your client hair is well moisturized, and I'll be using the Hawaiian Silky 14-in-1 Miracle Worker for that. I'm also going to be using the Shine and Jam for my patterns and a precision comb. For the parting, I'm going to be parting from ear to ear across my client's head firstly. Now you have to keep in mind that this is a guideline to help you see what you are doing. So you want to make it as clean as you can and also take your time because this is the foundation of your braids. After making your sketch, you are going to go over it with your braiding jam, and you want to be quite generous with it, especially because my client's hair is natural. Then you would go over it again with your precision comb or any cutting comb you are using, just to make the pattern clean and take away any unwanted hair from the view. Moving on, we will be going to the back section of the head, and again we'll be parting from ear to ear. However, this will be at the back section of the head, and keep in mind that you want to make sure that the hair you are parting will be enough to get two equal sections of braids from. Another thing I do is that I do not add braiding jam to the parting I just did, just because sometimes the hair I parted might not be enough for two sections and I'll have to take some hair from the top. So that being said, we'll be parting this back section of the head into two equal sections. Keep that in mind. So right now I'm just checking to make sure that both sections are equal and ready to be braided. Moving to the front section of the head, I'm going to be parting down the middle to make two equal sections. And to do that, I'm going to place my comb in the middle of our nose bridge just to get the center of our head. Now that we have two equal sections, I'm going to be parting each sections into 5 equal subsections. And mind you, I am not going to be using braiding jam for this because it is a waste of jam and a waste of time. You are probably wondering what I mean by that. Well, you are going to be trying to make the pattern straight, thereby wasting time, and because the jam would have melted by the time you get to the front, you will still need to use another layer of jam to make it straight again. And by again, I mean by the time you are ready to braid that front section. I did something in the other section that I would love to share with you. So the first section I made here, I parted from the ear down to the middle section, right? But this second section, I decided to part from the middle section to the ear section. And this is the very first time I am doing it. And I must tell you that it was way easier than parting from the ear up. And trust me, I don't even know why, but I've been doing it this way ever since then, and it has just been very easy. I got my patterns like faster. It was just really easy, to be very honest. And there we are done making the 10 sub patterns in the front, and all that is left is the middle section, and all we'll be doing now is connecting the middle section with the front section. So I do have a pattern tutorial on my channel already, but that tutorial is for small individual braids, and I will link it up on the top right corner of the screen if you would love to watch it. However, the middle and front connection is not very detailed in that video, so I decided to include it in this video so you can get a better understanding of what I mean by connecting. And yeah, with that being said, do let me know in the comment section if we should make this a series. Like, what I mean is, if I should make a tutorial for other patterns like large individual braids and also jumbo braids and all of that. Just let me know down in the comment section below, and I would be sure to do that. A little tip here, I just want to let you know that as much as pre-parting can speed up your braiding process, it can as well delay you. I mean, imagine spending 30 to 40 minutes or even 1 hour to prepare the whole head of your client when you can spend 5 to 10 minutes when you use this method. Do let me know what you think about this method in the comment section, you guys. And if you've watched till this point, it means you're enjoying what you're watching, right? Hit the like and subscribe button and join the family, and also turn on post notification so you'll be informed when next I post a new video. Yeah, this extension color that I used was hand blended by me, so it's already on my channel as well. So if you'd love to see how I did it, I'm going to link it up on the screen. So yeah, you should definitely watch it. Another thing I included in this video is how I braided the front section. So we are going to be connecting again, but this time we will be using the middle section as guide just to make sure the patterns are aligned. And here, that is all for this video. Again, do let me know in the comment section if you prefer to pre-part the whole head completely or if you'd rather this method. Don't also forget to give this video a thumbs up if you end up enjoying the video, and also subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.